If you are broke like me, I beg, come close.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
If you know any other person where they broke like me, I beg, share this video with that person.
A town hall different from Bala Blue.
Cost of fuel now, it don't increase. Food in the market don't increase.
Chai, there is God. Oh.
How you take they cope? Well, you need to do something for you to meet up with your spending spree.
You dey use your function to play.
Yes, they easy, but trust me, there are things that you can do that even those where they broke will bring out money and pay you.
Oh, really?
My number one is freelancing. So as a freelancer, you need to come online. You need to go on LinkedIn.
Continue.
Let me tell you the quick and easy one, which is CV writing. So my number 6 is teach what you know. Teach. We get one woman where I know. She need to carry her cucumber go market. Now hotels should they supply. And at the work where that woman get with that, farming will make sense. So if you be girl, you sabi cook. Like if you cook for house, more people they lick plates. Lick plates, like some physical plates, no be that kind of other plates. And so your mind don't they go somewhere else.